Today is the H12Y from MJX. It's a 1/12 crawler and it looks like it means business. Can it actually pull itself up the tiniest hill? Or was it made to look good in photos? It's got a full metal chassis, aluminium body shell, so it definitely looks the part and weighs the part too.
Action figures sold separately.
And when you check out the spec sheet, it ticks all the right boxes. But will it conquer the hills or just roll back down? We'll find out together. It's got a 3650 3500 kV brushless motor, a 45 amp FOC ESC, which basically means smoother, quieter and more precise power. It's got a 20 kg metal gearing servo, metal oil-filled shocks with a spare set of springs in the box, a fantastic body shell system with magnets. So ladies and gents, as you can see, there is not a lot that came in my box, but your box will be different. You will have a spare set of wheels and tyres. MJX being a little bit tight didn't send me them. That's fine. Instructions, there is the lithium ion battery, 2000 milliamp hour 2S. The controller is nothing to write home about, but it is functional. You see you've got the channel 3, that's for your lights. Channel 4 is actually if you fit the winch at the front in and out, but the buttons are very small and fiddly, so I don't know if that's a great design. Now let me put that down so I don't scratch the shell. Not like I'm not going to scratch the shell in no time anyway. This is where the battery goes. As you can see, there's a lot of space, so this is a 2800 milliamp hour, and as you can see, it's perfectly fits there, and you can even get a little bit thicker there as well, which is pretty cool. Right, first test we shall do is speed run. Yeah, I know it's a crawler, but let's get on. Do you know what? For a crawler, yeah, that's slow. Oh, first roll. Good time to show the LED lights. Dunk, dunk, dunk. Reverse lights. Unfortunately, they also have indicators. So the question is, what's it like going up the rocks? Yes, finally a crawler that can lift its own body weight. Okay, that ESC is very responsive. Come on. Very impressive. This one here is actually quite steep. Let's have a look, see if it can cope. It's not even noticing. Just to be clear, whenever I'm placing the camera at the minute, I'm making sure that it's 100% level. So these hill slopes are exactly what you think they are. What's that, 50, 45, 50? Look at it, just doesn't even care. That's impressive. That truly is impressive. Right, I need to find a steeper one. Okay, as I cannot find any flat land to put my camera on, I've had to hold it, but I am holding it completely horizontally. This is quite steep. I suspect it's not going to go up, and I reckon that the maximum angle that this can do is about 60. Oh, it wants to. I love the fact that you can go really slow with this ESC. Come on. Oh. Come on. Give it some welly, do you reckon? I mean, it got up, but I don't think it counts. But what about going down? That's also a big part of crawlers, is it should have the ability to go down. And from what I've seen, having this nice metal body shell is not a good thing, because a lot of the weight, the center of gravity is actually quite high. But let's see what happens here. I'm going to go slow to give it a fair chance. Okay, I would have put money on that flipping. So this slope is slightly steeper. I have to assume this is where we'll see it flip. I mean, it's giving it a good go, isn't it? No. Well, it hasn't flipped though. Let's give it some welly. Oh, whoops. I've scratched it. So as you can see, I'm slightly further along, but this is definitely going to flip now. Maybe if the action figure put his hand on the steering wheel, it wouldn't be such a mess. Okay, that didn't flip. I expected that to flip. Ooh. Oh. Let's go back slowly. I keep on pulling the wing mirrors out, and every time it rolls, the wing mirrors go back in again. So for the rest of the video, the wing mirrors are going to be at very different points, I'm afraid. Yeah, that was a lot easier. It's still impressive though, considering the weight's so far up. Let's see if it will roll again on the way down. I say again, it didn't roll the last time, did it? Well, at least you landed it on its wheels. Let's see what happens when it gets technical. Ah, I may have beached it. Come on. There goes the scale effect of it all. But I have to say, if this was me in the real world, I probably would be going absolutely chaotic trying to unbeach myself. So, real life. I would say that being able to lock the diffs at this point would be a help, but not one of the wheels is touching. So, let's try the next thing. I have no idea if this is too much. Yeah, I didn't think this through at all, did I? While I'm doing this, have any of you seen the PC game Roadcraft? Well, I'm finding myself playing it a lot more, and I wondered whether I was going to get some JCB diggers and stuff on the channel. So post below if you'd like to see that on the channel. If not, I'll buy them for myself and drive them myself. Strangely therapeutic. Look at this, ladies and gentlemen. Look at this. I did not expect that. Now that was impressive. Up to this point, this whole video has been recorded in about a 10 square meter sort of place. I suppose that's a good thing with crawlers, is you don't need a lot of space, do you? I'm so impressed with this ESC though, I've got to be honest with you. I have got the proportional throttle all the way down, so even with max acceleration it's quite hard to go as fast as possible, but there we go. That is mightily impressive, isn't it? Okay, I want to see it coming back. Because from what I can see, that front bumper was stopping it then. Is it going to flip? Look at that front bumper. Ooh. Look at the control I've got. If that front bumper wasn't there, ladies and gents, do you think that it would be better off? Ooh. Man, I don't like talking to myself. I miss Colin. Uh-oh, too much. Come on. I mean, it gets back up okay, doesn't it? Right, when that front bumper's out the way, it can do everything so well. Look at that suspension articulation. Look at it. How impressive is that? I never used to get crawlers, but now I am. Check out this rock, ladies and gents. What do you reckon? I'm going to be walking as I do this, so please bear with me. Whoa. I can't believe I'm nervous. Oh, must go back. Oh, that no look good. Well, I got it stuck, ladies and gents. Highly surprising though. Let's just have a very quick reset and we'll pretend that that didn't happen. I'd like to say through the magic of editing, but I actually want to leave that in so you can all see the capabilities of this car. As I said before, I don't have a lot of crawlers on this channel, basically because I'm getting so frustrated that they're not even capable of pulling their own body weight up. But this one can, with that big 3650 motor and some decent gearing for once. Look at this, look how it's managing this. Uh-oh. Oh, not again. Oh no. Come on. Come on, come on. Ah. How did it manage that? This is now above my head. This is how big this rock is. I didn't realise there was a big rock by the side of me I could stand on. Look at this. Well, MJX H12Y, take a bow. So ladies and gents, what do you think of that footage? Some of you out there may already know I'm not really the biggest fan of crawlers, but this one has truly impressed me. Not quite sure why you have this here. It is cool, but I don't know why you need it. I always find them a bit lackluster. They don't seem to be able to do anything that they said they were able to do, and I get bored very quickly. But this I had a lot of fun with today because it was actually a capable little beast. It was capable of doing what it says on the tin. This seems too far out to me. If that was all the way back in there, I think it would be able to do a lot more impressive things. But out of the box, I have to say, it's very good indeed. I truly didn't expect to enjoy it as much as what I did. So the price of this is $179.99 US dollars. Do I think it's worth it? It's got some weight to it, it's got some quality to it, and it's actually probably the best crawler that I've ever tried on this channel. So on those bases, yes, I think it is. I think it's worth it. I love the fact it's capable of driving so slowly, which is so important when it comes to crawlers. Can I recommend this to you? 100%, I think I can. As I said, I'm not really into crawlers, and even I had fun with it, and that really does say something about the product. So, links in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Take care, stay safe. Bye-bye.